What's up, friends? Welcome back to the channel. Tuesday, April 1st, and today we have an exciting video. We have the hot flash deals for the week here at Costco. Also, we are going to announce the winner for the Lego backpack luggage set. That's going to be a lot of fun as well. Let's not waste any time and get into the video. And starting the video off in the number 1 spot, this time from Fiskars, we have their 15-inch loppers and hand prune set. Now this is a very nice set. We've seen this on my channel multiple times. And some of you may be wondering, why are we looking at these loppers once again? We've seen it on my channel 2 to 3 times. Well, every week Costco releases new deals. I come to the warehouse, I film them, and I call them the flash deals for the week. Now these flash deals are usually valid for at least 1 to 2 weeks. On my channel, we can see it's $5 off, bringing the price down to $19.99. A majority of deals in today's videos are valid to either April 6th or April 13th. In the number 2 spot, this time from Xfinity, we have their Pathway security lights. Now these do come in a 2-pack for you. Each light has 50 lumens, so they are pretty bright. It has that dusk to dawn automatic feature, which is great. 50 lumen output for up to 8 hours, and 8 hours fully charged by sunlight, which is another great feature. Today, $5 off. You can pick it up at Costco.com for the same exact price, $19.99. As some of you know, I do provide the item number in the bottom right corner. You can always grab that item number and look it up at the Costco app to see if you have it in stock at your local warehouse. This time in the number 3 spot from Tommy Bahama, we have our solar LED downlights. Now the lights on these do have an adjustable head. They're 40 lumens, so they are bright, and they come in a 6-pack as well. So the adjustable head design is pretty cool because it does direct the light. That way if you want to shine it on a certain item, you can aim the angle. Now these are very nice, $10 off the price, $29.99. They are $10 more at Costco.com. Now some of you may get annoyed because I do mention Costco.com often in my videos. That's just for people who do like to order online. If you want to grab certain items online, you can. I do provide the item number. You can look it up there. Also, Costco.com, their online store, has some amazing clearance as well, and I do cover those videos. So right in front of us, we have the 10-pack of Brita. As you can see, once again on sale. These are the filters. Check out that price, $12.50 off, bringing the price down to $32.49. So I should have started with the water pitcher filter first, but unfortunately I didn't. So here it is in the number 5 spot. Once again from Brita, we have their water filter pitcher, a 10-cup pitcher that's BPA free. Now what's nice about this unit here, it does include 2 replacement filters, which is great. Has a nice life indicator which lets you know when the filter is pretty much gone. Now this is BPA free. Once again, the filter does reduce chlorine, mercury, copper, which is awesome. Today we're getting a nice $12.50 off the price. You can't beat this price at $21.49. In the number 6 spot from Trasanti, we have their 47-inch adjustable height desk. Now this desk does have pretty great reviews at Costco.com. It does adjust in height from 29.3 inches all the way up to 47, has built-in USB ports. Now a lot of people love this desk. Why? Because the tabletop has a glass tabletop, but Trasanti does call it a dry erase compatible tabletop. So if you are taking notes, you can write right on top of the tabletop. A lot of people love that, and check out that price, $40 off, bringing it down to $179.99. I do want to take a quick moment to thank everyone for watching my videos, subscribing to my channel, and leaving me such nice comments. I'm very grateful. Thank you so much. Also, I do want to announce the giveaway. Deborah from Texas, you are the winner. Congratulations. You have won the Lego luggage set. I did send you an email. Respond to that email. I'll have it shipped out immediately. If you didn't win, no worries, friend. I am going to announce a new giveaway this week, so stay tuned for that. In the number 7 spot from Ottlight, we have their wireless charging LED desk lamp. Now this brand is pretty popular, especially when it comes to artists. It does have a 5-watt Qi charging pad. You can see there right on top of the base, you can charge your phone, which is pretty nice. It's wireless charging, which I like. 3 different brightness settings, which is pretty cool. It's touch control. Also, it's pretty energy efficient. You can see there the little LED lights. Pretty awesome. Now, these are rated up to last up to 40,000 hours. Today, a $10 discount. That's going to bring the price down to $19.99. And let me quickly mention, if you love the Ottlight, but you don't like the all-black version, they have a nice all-white version available at Costco.com, but it is $10 more. In the number 8 spot from Toto, we have their washlet. This is their elongated bidet seat with a soft closed lid. Now, this bidet seat does include a luxury remote control, has an automatic deodorizer, and the water settings are adjustable. Now, keep in mind, friends, you do need a power source to connect this bidet because the seat is heated. Now, what I mean by power source, you need an outlet next to the toilet. If you don't want to spend this type of money on a bidet, you can grab one on Amazon for about $30 to $40. Super simple to connect if you don't want any of these fancy features. Now today, $60 off the price, $339.99. In the number 9 spot, we have the Crocodile Cave Adventure Water Slide. This water slide is super fun, very entertaining. Your little ones will love it. It's constructed out of heavy duty materials. Now, this water slide does inflate in less than a minute, which is pretty cool, or just around a minute. It's fast, it's simple, very easy to use. The deflation on it is very quick, which I love. $50 off the price. That's going to bring it down to $349.99. In the number 10 spot, this time from Costco's Bakery, we do have their cinnamon chip bites right in front of us. Now, the only issue is I couldn't find any of the macros anywhere, so unfortunately, I don't have them. But we do get a 42 count here. I did shake the box. I did spin it around for you. Check that out. Looks pretty good. But you can just imagine the calories on them. Let's just say 2 of them are about 100 calories. We're just going to guess here. But anyways, friends, these are $2 off the price. You can see there, they're $8.99. $2 off, bring the price down to $6.99, and you do get that 42 count of bites. In the number 11 spot, right in front of us, we do have some books available on sale. I don't often see books on sale here at Costco, even though they're all priced very good. So right in front of us, we have the nursery rhyme books. These are great to pick up if you have little ones at home, or if you have any loved ones you do want to give a gift to. These have rhymes, they have sound, they're touch and feel books. These are pretty awesome. The price is not bad at all either. Costco has some pretty nice books to choose from. Pretty cool. These are on display. I may pick one up. I'm guessing these are going to go on clearance because of Easter, but check out that price, $3 off, $11.99. We have the Perricone MD in the number 12 spot. This is their face finishing and firming moisturizer. Now, this moisturizer is pretty popular because it has that kukui nut seed oil, which is great for hydrating. It deeply moisturizes as well. So keep in mind, this also has vitamin E in it. That's for your skin nourishment. It's on sale, $15 off the price. You can pick it up at Costco.com for the same exact price, $34.99. A lot of deals in today's video do expire on the 13th. Now, we've seen this product on my channel a few times as well from Bowers & Wilkins. We have their PX7. These are their noise-canceling headphones, up to 30 hours of battery life. Very nice headphones. This is a premium design, a premium brand, has a nice comfortable fit. We do have 3 different colors available at Costco.com. If you don't like the all-black version, we also have the ocean blue and the cloud gray, which I like. Now, the microphone works great on this as well. You can talk on the phone. Pretty nice set of headphones. $50 off the price, $149.99. And let's move on, friends, to the aisle next over, this time from Reduce, right in front of us. We do have their 24-ounce tumblers. Now, these tumblers are pretty popular because everyone loves their 3-in-1 lid. You can drink, you can gulp, and you can sip from these lids, which is pretty cool. Now, these do keep your drinks cold for up to 24 hours. They're dishwasher safe. They're double wall vacuum insulated. Everything you would expect out of a tumbler these days. They're pretty nice, and the price is not bad as well. Now, they do make smaller versions for our little ones. That's how these mugs or these tumblers got pretty popular. $4 off, $15.99. And what's a Costco video without a floor mat? In the number 15 spot, we have these 2x3 indoor-outdoor floor mats. We have 4 different variations to choose from. 2 of them are patterns and 2 of them are solid colors. Now, they all look great in my opinion. This floor mat is a little bit on the steeper side, but it's from a very popular brand, the Chill Witch. Now, today, they're taking $10 off the price, bringing it down to $29.99. And let's move on because I do have one more mat to show you, this time from Mineral Springs. In the number 16 spot, we have their memory foam mats. Now, we have 3 different colors to choose from, the white, the tan, and the blue. All 3 of them look pretty great in my opinion. Now, these mats do have a nice thickness to them. They're memory foam, as I mentioned, and they are selling pretty quickly here at the warehouse. Today, they are on sale. Now, if you want to pick them up, you can head here or you can pick them up at Costco.com. They are $3 off the price, bringing it down to $11.99. In the number 17 spot, this time from Latara, we have their quiche. Now, today we get a 2-pack along with 2 different flavors, which is pretty nice. So, hopefully, you do enjoy both flavors. They're mostly made with egg whites, spinach and artichoke, and then egg whites, cheddar, and broccoli. We have 2 different flavors. Now, today they also have pretty much similar macros as well, 300 calories per serving, basically, 23 carbs, less than 1 gram of added sugar, and then 11 grams of protein. So, they do have a decent amount of protein, $3 off the price, $10.99. Another fan favorite in the number 18 spot, this time from the Belgian boys, we have their mini pancakes. Now, these are delicious. A lot of people love them. They're bite-sized, they're quick and easy, they're light and fluffy. A lot of people love them. Now, the macros on them are not too bad as well. 7 pancakes, about 190 calories, 21 grams of carbs, 6 grams of added sugar, and 3 grams of protein. So they're not that bad for 7 little pancakes. They're nut-free, no palm oil, no artificial flavors, colors, or preservatives. $2.50 off the price, $7.49. And let's not forget about the organic chicken tenders. These are on sale. $5 off per package, meaning any package you grab here in the case, they're going to take $5 off at the register. If you are going to grab one, make sure you grab the least expensive package in the pile. That way you can maximize your saving. That's going to get the cost down to about $5 per pound, give or take, depending on how heavy of a package you grab. Now, this deal is valid to the 4th, so keep that in mind, friends. $5 off per package. Another popular seller here at Costco from Adel's, we have their chicken and apple sausages. Now, we do get 3 pounds total of sausages. These are all natural, no artificial ingredients, and it does say right there, let's have a look, no nitrites or nitrates in them are added. But when you look at the ingredients, it does contain celery powder, and everybody knows celery powder has nitrates in them. 170 calories per serving, 4 carbs, 3 sugar, and 13 grams of protein. Check out that celery powder. Today, they are giving us $4 off the price, bringing it down to $10.99 for 3 pounds. In the number 21 spot, we have the antipasto. This is great for those of you who are following a low-carb diet. Maybe you want a quick snack, or maybe you're making a nice board at home. Here we have it. We have the salami, prosciutto, and we have the calabrese. All 3 of them are great. No sugar, no carbs. That's great. But you do have to be aware of the sodium contents. You eat too much of this stuff, you're going to swell up like a balloon the next day. So keep that in mind. Today, let's have a look at the price. $3 off, bringing it down to $8.99. In the number 22 spot, great to pair up with that antipasto from President, we have the triple crema. This is their brie cheese, 18 ounces in total. If you tried this before and you love it, let us know in the comments. Leave a comment below. Today we have a great discount, 110 calories per serving, no carbs, no sugar, and 4 grams of protein. They're taking $160 off the price for us, which is pretty great considering the size of this cheese. So today, $160 off the price of $5.89. So my last Costco video, I did do Costco's new Hot Buys. If you haven't seen that, make sure you watch it. All these deals are valid to the 6th, so make sure you watch that video. I did ask everyone if they liked when I read the macros, and everybody responded in the comments section. They did, so we are going to continue that. We have the Frosted Flakes up next, 130 calories per serving, 33 grams of carbs, 12 grams of added sugar, and it only has 2 grams of protein. It's on sale for $2.20 off the price. Let's have a look at that. $6.49, and you do get 61.9 ounces of Frosted Flakes. In the number 24 spot, this time from Tasty Bite, we have their organic lentils. Now, these do look pretty tasty, as they mentioned. I've never tried it before, but they look pretty nice. If you have, leave a comment below. Now, we do get 8 pouches per box. Each pouch is 10 ounces. Looks pretty amazing. Now, there is some data suggesting if you do eat lentils every day, it can help with insulin resistance along with fasting. If you heard that before, also leave a comment below. Here we have 150 calories per serving, 17 carbs, 6 grams of fiber, and 6 grams of protein. Today, they're giving us $3.80 off the price, $10.99. And for the ladies in the number 25 spot, this time from K-Bell, we have their roll top socks. Now, these do come in a 6-pack, 6 pairs per package. Now, these are pretty popular. Why? Because the roll tops is nice and relaxed. The toe seam is nice and smooth. Now, we have 2 different color variations to choose from. In my hand, we have the multicolor. We also have all black available as well. Now, these socks are crew socks, as you can see there in the picture. Very popular socks, very thin, smooth. These are great. Today, we have a nice discount at $2 off the price, which a lot of people love. That's going to bring the price down to $8.49. And we do have a couple more items to get through, friends, so hang tight. We do have a picnic table I do want to show you. Here it is right in front of us. This is from Lifetime. I like it a lot. I don't know why, but I like this table. And the price is right, in my opinion. And it's definitely going to go on clearance at my warehouse. We have so many left. At the end of the month, you're going to start seeing more clearance on all these outdoor furniture, so hang tight for that. Now, this does fold flat for easy storage. That's what I like about it. You can put it away in the wintertime. It seats 8 people, has that nice rough texture to it, has the cutout that you can put the umbrella in, and check out that price, $40 off, only $139.99. In the number 27 spot, this time from Rock, we have their Hydrate and Pump Eye Cream. Now, we do get a 3-pack here. Each pack or each bottle is only 0.6 ounces, so keep that in mind. 3 different tubes. So these do have caffeine and peptides in them. It does reduce puffiness and dark circles, and it has pretty nice reviews as well. Over 300 reviews at Costco.com, and today, $13 off the price, bringing it down to $29.99. All right, friends, ending the video here. If you did enjoy today's video and you do enjoy this type of content, make sure you subscribe to the channel. If you enjoyed today's video and you want to support the channel, all we ask is for that thumbs up button. Make sure you like, comment, and share. Leave a comment below. Follow us over on Instagram at Watch the Deal Finder. And remember, friends, enter our giveaway. It's completely free. Deborah, congratulations once again. Tomorrow, we're going to cover Costco's new arrivals, so stay tuned for that video. I'll see you tomorrow, friends. Peace.